Hi there, sweet spotters. What's up? How you doing? I hope you're well. I am. I hope you're having a great Saturday today. And if you're not, we're going to do it together. We're going to figure out a way to get you to have a great Saturday because you deserve a great Saturday. And if you're up and you're walking around, you're alive and you're well, I'm going to say this. Today is a day that the Lord has made. You and I are challenged to rejoice and be glad in it. Something wonderful is going to happen today. We're going to make it so. It's all in the attitude. And look, today is Self-Care Saturday on the Sweet Spot. And what we're doing right now is we're talking about the 7 alignments. We are aligning ourselves so that we can get the best out of life. And today we find ourselves in episode 6, where we align with restoration so that our mind, our body, and our spirit will get a chance to exhale. Yeah, absolutely. We've aligned with truth this week. We've aligned with energy this week. We've aligned with purpose. We've aligned with becoming. And we've aligned with discipline. And now today, we enter the alignment that gives all the others their longevity. And that's restoration. On a day like today, one of those reflective days, right? Restoration is not optional. It's sacred. And why does it matter? Because rest is stopping. When we rest, we stop. But when we're talking about restoration is about returning. Rest is stopping. Restoration is returning. Returning to clarity. Returning to calm. Returning to the self that the world has worn down a bit. Yeah. For renewal. For renewal. We're going to stop resisting the inner experience that's taking us away from our energy, that's misaligning us. And we're going to get into restoration. We're going to sit, we're going to breathe, we're going to relax, we're going to remember that we're not alone. We're going to let our mind, our body, and our spirit align. We're going to find our divine connection today. It's Self-Care Saturday. We're going to put ourselves first. We're going to put the oxygen mask on us first before we help anybody else. We're going to help ourselves. And that's okay. Deep breath with me right now. Nice deep breath in through your nose. And hold. And then slowly exhale, letting your exhale be longer than your inhale. Just to become aware. This is your Saturday. This is your time. And it's good to be meditative. It's good to pray. It's good to be aligned with your divine purpose. In the ancient wisdom, in Matthew 11, verse 28, it's saying this: come away with me, recover your life. In the King James version of that, it simply says, I will give you rest. Beloved, I will give you rest. Restoration is alignment with divine peace, and you deserve that today. But you got to reach for it. It's not just going to fall out of the sky on you. Now, it's possible that it could, but more than likely, you're going to have to reach for your divine restoration. You're going to have to draw a line. You're going to have to take a minute for yourself. You're going to have to turn the phone off, turn the TV off, maybe isolate yourself for a couple of minutes. Just sit in the chair, take a couple of breaths, listen to a song that you like, go for the walk. Take care of you so that future you can be okay. Yeah. Today I want you to ask yourself, what do I need to release so my body can finally exhale? Yeah, try the letting go breath. Inhale slowly once again. Name the feeling you're feeling. Hold gently and then exhale the tension downward. Your body knows what to do, once you take a couple of deep breaths, once you slow down, once you give your body a chance to rest and recover and rejuvenate and replenish. That's your job today. Doctor's orders, okay? You're going to take a minute. You're going to take 2 minutes. Oh my goodness, you're going to take 3. Okay, let's go for it. You're going to take 5 minutes for you today. 5 minutes out of the 24 hours. Just for you. And let's see what your body does with that as you align yourself with your restoration. You deserve it. You're listening to The Sweet Spot. This is Self-Care Saturday. I'm Dr. Derek Sweet, and I'm on the journey with you. We're on the journey of alignment. Tomorrow, we rise into cosmic perspective. As you know, we go into the astrophysics on Sunday, on Slowdown Sunday. We're going to align with our perspective tomorrow. We're going to align with perspective, the alignment that lifts your life above the distraction, above the noise. So until then, promise me you're going to take care of you today. Promise me you're not just going to run around and take care of everybody else. Promise me that you're not just going to get every assignment done with and sacrifice yourself in the middle. Promise me that. And I'll see you tomorrow for Slow Down Sunday, my friends. One breath at a time. One alignment at a time. Love and blessings.